So the Galaxy S24 Ultra is just around the corner, and today I have 6 more updates to share with you, so let's get right into it. First, a few days ago we got our very first hands-on look at the S24 Ultra, revealing its design mainly from the back, but we still don't have an image showing its front. Well, Ice Universe has produced a series of partial shots claiming to feature the actual S24 Ultra. These images include comparison with the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra, showcasing a display that's much flatter with a significantly reduced bottom bezel. The fact that the bezels are now uniform makes the S24 Ultra visually more appealing than previous Ultra phones. The image also shows the size of the punch hole camera, and as you can see, it has gotten smaller compared to the one on the S23 Ultra. Next, Evan Blass has shared official marketing images of the S24 Ultra as well as the S24 Plus, but because Samsung usually copyright strikes these images, he blurred it. Maybe if you squint you can see it, but it shows that the hero color of the S24 Ultra is gonna be this titanium one and green for the S24 Plus. Moving on, there were rumors that Samsung would offer a 16GB RAM variant for the S24 Ultra. Turns out that's not happening. It's still gonna be 12GB. This also rules out the speculated 2TB storage variant. On a positive note, the S24 Plus now comes in a 12GB RAM variant, while the regular S24 will maintain 8GB RAM, which is unfortunate. Quick heads up, Samsung is offering a 25% discount on the S23 Ultra plus an upgraded trade-in deal via their Shop Samsung app. The offer ends soon, so if you're interested, the link is in the description. Next, here's an actual image of the S24 Ultra's image gallery showcasing an AI feature called Expand Image, which as the name suggests expands an image to give more context around the subject. Speaking of AI, Samsung has officially unveiled a new type of RAM for the generative AI for mobile devices, hinting at its potential integration into the S24 lineup. The advantage of this RAM over the conventional RAM we have on our current phones is that it has very low latency, which is a game changer for AI as well as gaming, as you need low latency for these tasks, which will directly enhance the overall performance. Interestingly, this RAM will not replace the traditional RAM, but instead will coexist with it, sitting right next to the CPU. So it will only be used for AI and gaming or any other task that requires low latency. Now, Samsung didn't directly say the S24 will use this tech, but reports are suggesting they will. Now, shifting focus to sales figures, the S23 lineup has proven to be a massive success, surpassing the S22 series by 23% with 25 million units sold in 9 months. The S23 Ultra leads with 11.6 million units, followed by the S23 at almost 9 million and the S23 Plus at 4.5 million. Interestingly, the S24 lineup is expected to perform even better than the S23 lineup, which will be incredible if Samsung pulls it off. The sales of the S series have been on a decline in the last few years, but good to know the trend is now reversing. Of course, do subscribe for all the latest updates on this phone, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.